Another aspect of a video call you would want to consider is its quality, and by that we mean whether publishers and subscribers were able to publish at a good bandwidth, subscribers were able to subscribe at a good bandwidth or not. So it's not enough that your users connect to a meeting, it's also important that they are able to view other people's feed seamlessly, and you can see that in quality metrics. So here you can start off with looking at the bitrate, and quite a bunch of data is over here, and it's bits and pieces because a lot of meetings went through, and these are data of different meetings. Again, it's not recommended to have a lot of meetings on a particular session ID. I'm going to look at one meeting, the latest meeting, so that I can narrow down on the data. So here you can see that you have one publisher, so in fact two publishers actually. You have user 1 and user 2 both publishing. User 1 is represented by the blue line and user 2 is represented by the red line. And if you hover on the line, you can see more stats to it. Most importantly, you can see the video bitrate and the audio bitrate. Now here you can see that the video bitrate is 342 kbps and the audio bitrate is 31 kbps, which is not a bad quality to have. It's decent. Similarly, user 2 has a video bitrate of 101 kbps and an audio bitrate of 8 kbps, which is not a good bitrate to start with. It did improve for a bit, but then again it went down. Now, what are the recommended bitrates for a video call? Well, you need to have a minimum of 150 kbps for the video to go through, and we recommend at least having 300 kbps for a seamless performance. Similarly, for audio bitrate, we recommend it has to be more than 25 kbps for the stream to go through, and we recommend an audio bitrate higher than 30 kbps for a seamless experience. There is a really nice article that talks about the minimum bandwidth required to use OpenTalk or Vonage Video API. Do have a look at it. But most importantly, you have this particular table that talks about what kind of video resolution you can have for the kind of bandwidth you have. So this is video bandwidth in kbps. And like I said, the minimum we need is 150 for transmitting video. But then when you are just above 150, all you can transfer is a low resolution, low quality video. And the more the video kbps you have, the higher resolution you can send.